Unlocking the Secrets of Recruitment, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an essential topic in the business world, recruitment methods. Whether you're a job seeker, a student, or just curious, understanding these methods is crucial in today's job market. Let's dive in and unravel the secrets behind successful recruitment strategies. Recruitment is the process of finding, attracting, and hiring suitable candidates for jobs within an organization. It's not just about filling vacancies. It's about finding the right people who can contribute to the growth and success of a company. The goal is to attract a pool of qualified applicants and select the best candidates for the job. Traditional recruitment methods have been around for years and are still widely used. These include job advertisements in newspapers or industry publications, employee referrals, where current employees recommend potential candidates, job fairs and campus recruitment, which allow employers to meet a large number of candidates in person, recruitment agencies that specialize in matching employers with suitable candidates. Each of these methods has its own set of advantages and can be very effective in reaching out to potential candidates. With the advancement of technology, recruitment strategies have evolved. Modern methods include online job portals, where employers can post job openings and candidates can apply directly. Social media recruiting through platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, software that automates the hiring process by filtering and managing applicants. Recruitment analytics, which uses data analysis to improve hiring decisions. These innovative approaches allow for a broader reach and more efficient candidate screening. Selecting the right recruitment method depends on various factors like the type of job, the industry, and the company size. It's important to understand the target audience for the job. Consider the cost and time involved in each method. Use a combination of methods for the best results. Balancing traditional and modern approaches can help attract a diverse range of candidates. Recruitment is an art and a science, requiring a mix of strategy, intuition, and technology. Whether you're an employer or a job seeker, knowing about different recruitment methods can give you an edge in the competitive job market. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of recruitment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more in our next video.